Carbohydrates are one of the main types of nutrients and the one needed in the largest amount by the body. Between 45 and 65% of calories should come from the carbs. According to the dietary reference intake set by the Institute of Medicine, carbohydrates are often maligned for contributing to weight gain, but they are needed for your body to function well and should be part of every person's diet. The role of carbohydrates is to provide energy as they are body's main source of fuel needed for physical activity, brain function, and operation of the organs. All the cells and tissues in your body needs carbs, and they are also important for intestinal health and waste elimination. Once in the body, carbohydrates are easily converted to fuel. Proteins are large, complex molecules that play many critical roles in the body. They do most of the work in cells and are required for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. Proteins are made up of hundreds or thousands of smaller units called amino acids, which are attached to one another in long chains. There are 20 different types of amino acids that can be combined to make a protein. The sequence of amino acid determines its protein's unique three-dimensional structure and specific function. There are 20 types of amino acid: alanine, arginine, aspartic acid, asparagine, cysteine, glutamine, glutamic acid, glycine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, proline, serine, threonine, tryptophan, tyrosine, and valine. Nucleic acids are made up of the elements carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Nucleic acids are important because they make up genetic information in living things. There are two types of nucleic acid, and they are DNA and RNA. DNA is the basic instruction for living things. It is passed down from parent to offspring and is found in the nucleus of the cell. RNA is very important for making proteins in cell and can be found floating around in the cytoplasm of a cell. DNA and RNA are made up of nucleotides called adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine, and uracil. Enzymes are proteins that catalyze chemical reaction by decreasing the activation energy that is needed for the occurrence of any chemical reaction. An enzyme requires a binding site on the substrate known as the active site as the area of attachment. Enzymes are very specific to a substrate's active site and are greatly affected by temperature. Number 1. Oxidoreductase is an enzyme that catalyzes the transfer of electrons from one molecule, the reductant, also called the electron donor, to another, the oxidant, also called the electron acceptor. Number 2. A transferase is any one of a class of enzymes that enact the transfer of specific functional group, a methyl or glycosyl group, from one molecule called the donor to another called the acceptor. Number 3. A hydrolase or hydrolytic enzyme is an enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of a chemical bond. Number 4. A lyase is an enzyme that catalyzes the breaking and elimination reaction of various chemical bonds by means other than hydrolysis, a substitution reaction, and oxidation, often forming a new double bond or a new ring structure. Number 5. Isomerase are a general class of enzymes which convert a molecule from one isomer to another. Isomerase can either facilitate intramolecular rearrangements in which bonds are broken and formed. Ligase is a specific type of enzyme that facilitates the joining of DNA strands together by catalyzing the formation of a phosphodiester bond. It plays a role in repairing single-strand breaks in duplex DNA in living organisms.